Hi there. My name is Joe Crossman, and I want to welcome you to my course, Mini Grammar Tests. All right. I think you probably want to know a little bit about me and my course, so I'm going to show you. So first off, what do I do? I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching English since 1995, and right now I teach English at a university in Canada. I help foreign students who want to improve their English skills enough so they can get into the Canadian university system. Some of them go to our university, some of them go to others, but that's what I do, and I love my job. How long have I taught for? As I said before, I've been teaching since 1995. Back in 1995, my wife and I both went to South Korea, and we taught there for 6.5 years. We taught at different schools and universities, and we really loved it. So we loved it so much that we got master's degrees in how to teach English as a second language. What else do you want to know? Well, I have a family. As I mentioned before, I have a wife and I've got 2 children, a son and a daughter. My hobbies include reading, watching movies, and I like biking. So now let me tell you about this course. It's mini grammar tests. So that means it's a series of videos showing a grammar test. There'll be 5 sentences in each test, and each sentence has different grammar mistakes. You get to look at the mistakes and try to guess which words are wrong and how to fix them. I use something similar to this with my students at university. It helps improve their grammar very quickly. All right? Because we're not just talking about somebody else's grammar or grammar in a grammar book. I'm talking about grammar that they use, grammar that comes from the students. So I'm helping them with their grammar. I think that is a big difference. Also in this course, there's a few short review videos just to catch you up. Perhaps you learned grammar back in school and you've forgotten some of it. So I just have a few little videos to review the grammar rules. Finally, you'll also see PowerPoint presentations. Of all the tests, I'll put in the PowerPoint presentations so you can just watch them and click through them yourself if you want. All right. If you have any questions about anything that you see in this course, write them down and ask me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Some questions I can answer easily, and some take a little longer for me to answer if they're more complicated. And some of them I might even have to make a new video to answer them. But if you keep asking questions, I'll keep answering. All right. That's it for now. Bye-bye.